It's one of those. Okay. Well, there's the bed. That's the TV. It better turn. Oh, wow. Really turns so you can see it in bed. Ice bucket. I already have water. Closet with. Let's see what this side is. Hangers and stuff. Biggest mirror I think I've ever seen. And of course the bathroom. Shower's a little small, but no awful clean shower curtain. There's me again. Toilet pointing to the right direction, so non knees. This isn't bad. I mean, this isn't bad at all. I mean, that's the mini fridge. Never used that. There it is, the room tour. It's actually pretty big for an inside room, and king size bed and everything. The luggage will probably go over there by the mirror. Yeah, so far MSC. I mean, I went years ago on the older ships, not these newer ships, but wow. Definitely be back already. Let's see how the rest of the week goes and when's luggage. I see some in the hallway though. I gotta hide some more ducks too. Continue to explore. So look for more of my videos.